Hello friends, today we will learn the meaning and origin of put a sock in it. When you tell someone put a sock in it, what you are telling him or her to do is to stop talking. In other words, you are telling the person to shut up. The expression is mostly used in British English in informal contexts. The Americans tend to say, put a cork in it. Here are a few examples. Hey Nikhil, put a sock in it, will you? Shweta has gone on long enough. It's about time she put a sock in it. Let's take an example in American way. Put a cork in it, you two. The baby is sleeping. Now we should look into its origin. According to some scholars, this expression began to be used after the first gramophone was invented. Do you remember those old gramophones? Gramophones were fitted with huge horns that served as speakers. Maybe you have seen one in the movies, especially movies that were set in the 1940s and 50s. In order to play the old gramophone, you had to do two things. You had to wind it up and you had to attach the huge horn so that the sound could be heard. But the problem with the early gramophone was that you could not control the volume. There were no volume control. So, how did people reduce the volume? It was very simple. They put a sock in the horn to muffle the sound. So now you can understand the origin of this expression, put a sock in it, so that it will reduce the volume, or it means that you have to shut up now. Thank you.